Good afternoon, scrappers. So today we have a gas hob which I picked up from by the side of the road, as you can see, because there's bird poop on it. Anyway, I quite like these because you get a lot of brass on them. A little bit of alley. I'm not sure if it's stainless steel, I didn't check. Bonus, it's stainless steel. So a couple of cast iron parts on the top there. These I've already checked are steel. Sometimes you get brass ones. And then you've got the four, these are aluminium. So that's the easy bit. Then you'll take this off, and then you see all the goodies underneath, which I shall just do and stop the video while I do that. So there's just 8 screws, 2 on each one, and up it comes. So that is a nice piece of stainless steel. And you can see inside these are all aluminium. So take these off. You've also got aluminium, which is where the gas runs to each one. Nice bit of copper wire. Not sure if that possibly is aluminium. No, steel. Got a big brass connector there, and these are all brass connectors there. So I shall have a little bash at that and then come back to you when I've got all this off. I have to say that was incredibly easy. There's just 7 screws and then there's a few little bits to pop through, which are held on with the plastic clips. So there's one. I've got that one. There. I think. See, there's that one. We'll go 8 screws then, same as the top. You want things to open. There we go. A couple of screws in there. Hiding away. There's always a couple that hide somewhere. Let's take that one out as well. While I'm here. There we go. Right. Those wires are held in there. Right. So that is stainless, not stainless steel, that's steel. So just unclip that. Let's get rid of that. And that's just the plug, which is an old style plug. So that's brass, which is nice. And then you've got all the connectors in there for the wire. And this is what you're left with. He's not playing, he's turning around. Would you believe it? It's a mil too short. And this is the place to scrap your kitchen table. If your good lady doesn't like it, well, what on earth is a kitchen table for? So these just come off nice and easy. I'll do the other two. That's those four off. Now, I'm going to snip these. And that will come off there. And a little connector on that. Little connector on each one. Should see that. There we go. So there's all the wire. Pull that off there. There we go. And in there's a few little bits of brass in there, and some more cable. If you haven't got a pair of these snips, heavy duty metal cutters, they're great, proper heavy duty. A little bit expensive, but they will last a very long time. And that's just a case of undoing these nuts here and all these screws, which I will do now. So with these, it's the bit where the gas comes out. It's nice and easy. It's one little brass nut, which you can undo. And it comes off nice and easy, as you can see. And then the actual igniter, don't know if that's the proper name, but that's just held on by a little clip, which you can easily just whip off. He says, there we go, and that just comes out. There is a tiny brass nut in the middle of there, which are quite difficult to get out, but I generally just smash it with a hammer because I melt these down anyway. So the battery went, but anyway, as far as these gas hobs go, there's not a lot of junk. That's pretty much the junk. You can see that. You can just move it over there. So you've got copper there. I could weigh it actually, just for the brass, because the brass is good. So copper, 62 grams of copper. We've also got this cable here. Now the brass. $623 grams of brass. There's also some little bits of brass in here, but these need taken apart further, and inside these that's aluminium, and you have some copper windings around there. They're just things that need taken apart further. And then there's also some tiny bits of brass to take out of those. You can get it all on the scales to give you an idea. How's your Jenga skills? And that's 575 grams of aluminium. Then you've got all the steel bits, and there was the base, and stuck to that. There we go. And then the stainless steel top, which is let's say for argument's sake 2 kilos. So there we go. That is why I like scrapping gas hobs. Plenty of goodies, and it's well worth doing. So if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, that'd be great, and subscribe. Keep scrapping, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.